Good morning students, how are you all? Stay safe and stay home. Today I will tell you a story of a brave boy whose name was Peter. But before starting the story, I want to share something with you. Students, to do a good thing, you don't have to wait to grow up. You can do good things at a very young age. If you want to help others, you will always find an opportunity to do so. At any moment, you can do something to help your friends, your parents, or even strangers. You don't need money but a good heart to help others. Here is a true story of a boy called Peter who saved his town from a certain disaster. Peter was a young boy who lived with his parents in a small village in Holland. One day his mother asked him to give these cakes to his old friend Hans. So when he was returned at home from Mr. Hans' house, suddenly he heard a sound of trickle of water nearby. He became alert because people in Holland were always cautious about any possible seepage in the sea wall. He moves towards the sound and found a trickle of water coming through a small hole. He knew the pressure of seawater would make the bigger in no time. He didn't know what to do. He wanted to send the message to his village people. Meanwhile, the hole was becoming bigger and bigger, and seawater was gushing out. So he inserted his whole hand into the hole to plug it. It worked and the flow of water stopped. It had already become dark, but nobody happened to pass by through that way. The whole night passed and he didn't see anyone who could help him. But his firm determination to save his village from a disaster kept him in his place. By morning his body had stiff with cold and he had fainted. In the early morning, a postman saw the boy conscious with his right hand in the hole in the sea wall. He understood that Peter was trying to stop the flow of water. Soon the postman shouted, and several men came there to help the boy. Some of the men set to work at once to repair the dike. Students, what is the meaning of dike? You can see here in this picture, this is the picture of a dike, this wall. And dike is a long wall or embankment built to prevent flooding from the sea. This is the dike. Then luckily after few days in bed, Peter was all right again.